birds really like it here with all the water and the fish. Oh, so you even got the nautical looking lights.
Yeah. Turn sideways so it catches tail.
It's nice that this was preserved. I know a lot of other stuff like the Salton Bay Yacht Club
Oh,
and
yeah.
all that got torn down. The old motel, I mean, well, there was the North Shore Motel, and then there was the Sundowner.
Yeah.
I never got to see that one, but I guess that got
I
torched.
had lunch in there back in the early 80s, mid-80s, with Helen Burns, who was like, they called her the old woman of the sea. She started everything on that side of the lake. Wonderful woman.
I think the Salton Bay one, though, was a little too torn up to...
Yeah, I never got to see.
I didn't either, but I just saw pictures of it. It looks like that one had gotten flooded out, too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think just about everything on that side got flooded because it was closer to the water, not up so high.
Yeah.
But I've read accounts that the flood water here got up to the top layer of the patio, which means it didn't get in the building.
Now that we're getting ready to open, I think gradually there'll be a lot more positive when people see it for themselves instead of just listening to what somebody
Well, I can't
thinks they
believe it's
know.
that Life After People episode where they said that the decaying algae creates gas more toxic than cyanide, and I don't know where they...
Yeah, they
got
called me
that.
and wanted to know where to shoot around here when they were doing that. And they said, well, we don't really want to shoot the yacht club because we only want to show decaying and nasty stuff.
Yeah. Which can be interesting, but they
but-
stretched a lot of things to
yeah.
just to make the show more interesting, as opposed to
We have a Yahoo group
showing
for the
reality.
Salton Sea people.
Oh, I'm on that.
Oh, San Diego State University, everything does studies year after year, month after month, and say that is all totally gone within, a mile of where it comes into the lake.
And that happens all the time at the Pacific Ocean. In San Diego, there's sewage spills.
Yeah, all the time. Yeah.
Probably a lot more than there are out here.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, these are the original palm trees.
Yes.
Right by the pool. Yeah. Is that gonna be a gas fire pit or?
Actually,
wood?
we have pipe if we want to put gas in, but we got permission to have wood burning fire pit.
Yeah, that's
So-
even nicer.
That'll be nice. The tech did a great job, and I did a great job saying, oh, we need to do this and we need to do that.
And that's still the original flagpole too, isn't it?
Yes.
It's just been cleaned up.
Yeah,
a bit.
we resurfaced it and put, I don't know what they put on it to protect it, but, and then put all new pulleys and new rope on it.
So you were saying earlier, it sounds pretty promising that the playground equipment, the original playground, or replicas
I'm
of it.
hoping, because I've provided them with enough information to, and
And of course, back to its original colors here. It looks like at some point in time it was painted blue and
oh yeah,
went.
the architect and I went to Albert Frey's house in Palm Springs because he used the same colors in his house and some of his other buildings. And he had actually, not Formica, but some kind of built-in thing that was the blue color up there, and he had the drapes that were the same yellow, so we could match identically the colors that
Yeah.
he used.
Yeah.
So that was good. Well, now our problem is water level dropping.
Yeah.
Because they want to reclaim water, they want to fallow fields, which decreases the amount of agricultural water.
Well, there's less runoff now too, right? Because growers are more precisely.
they're more
applying the water.
efficient in their watering. Yeah, there's a lot of things that decrease the water going into the lake.
Yeah.